Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your earbuds Sennheiser CX200. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and now we should have not connected. Then remove it from the charging case. We should have connected here, or so we make a hard reset. We made a hard reset. Now check your earbuds. Maybe it fixes your problem. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case, and now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that remove one of the earbuds from the charging case. Press and hold this power button, this touch areas, until this LED light starts flashing green and red. Here we go. Now remove the second one and press and hold again. And keep these two earbuds together, closer to each other. Now we have also this blinking LED light, and now we should wait until the headphones is entered to pairing mode. And here we go. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.